In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footer in Freshsales. In Freshsales, the footer you see at the bottom of your one-to-one emails is controlled by your email signature. Once you set it up, Freshsales will automatically add it to new emails you send, which helps keep your communication consistent and professional. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Freshsales account. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then select Personal Settings. This is where you manage preferences that apply specifically to your user profile, including how your emails are formatted. Inside Personal Settings, find and open the Email Settings tab. Email Settings is where Freshsales keeps your outgoing email options, including the signature that appears like a footer on every one-to-one email. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area before editing, especially if you have multiple tabs open. Next, scroll down until you reach the Email Signature section. This editor is where you can build the footer content that will appear under your message. You can type your signature text directly into the box, and you can also include links such as your website or a scheduling link, if that is part of your standard sign-off. Keep the layout clean and easy to read, since signatures can look different across email clients. If you want to include branding, you can insert an image or logo. To do that, click the image icon in the signature editor and add your image. For best results, use a small, clear image so it loads quickly and does not overwhelm the email. After you insert it, review the spacing and alignment to make sure it looks neat. When you are happy with your signature, click Save. Saving is important because it applies your updated footer to your account. From this point forward, your signature will automatically be pre-filled in your one-to-one emails, so you do not have to recreate it each time. That covers everything you need to know.